What if I told you that in the next 20 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a completely automated AI product business that could pay you $1,000+ per sale, without ever showing your face, without building an audience from scratch, and without creating a single product yourself? I know that sounds too good to be true. Trust me, I get it. But here's the thing. While everyone else is still stuck in 2020 thinking they need to become the next Gary Vee or build massive followings, the smart money has already moved to something completely different. See, 3 years ago, I was exactly where you might be right now, scrolling through YouTube at 2 a.m., watching make money online videos, wondering if any of this stuff actually works. I had tried dropshipping, affiliate marketing, even started a blog that got exactly 12 visitors in 6 months. I was frustrated, broke, and honestly, pretty embarrassed. But then I discovered something that changed everything. And I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme or another course about courses. I'm talking about leveraging AI to create what I call digital product empires. Businesses that run completely on autopilot while you sleep. In the last 18 months alone, using the exact system I'm about to show you, I've generated over $347,000 in revenue. But here's the crazy part. I've never shown my face in a single piece of content. My audience doesn't even know what I look like. Everything is done through AI avatars, AI-generated content, and AI-powered sales systems. And the best part? You can literally copy everything I'm doing. In fact, that's exactly what I want you to do. Because unlike traditional businesses where competition hurts everyone, in the AI product space, there's so much opportunity that we can all win together. So in this video, I'm going to pull back the curtain completely. No holding back, no buy my course to learn the rest. I'm going to show you how to find proven digital products that pay $500 when $350 per sale that you don't have to create. How to build your own AI salesperson that works 24/7 to sell these products. The exact content strategy that's generating millions of views for faceless AI creators. And the complete automation system that turns views into sales while you sleep. But here's the deal. This only works if you actually implement what I show you. So grab a notebook, maybe some coffee, and let's dive into building your AI product empire together. Now, before we get into the sexy stuff like AI avatars and viral content, we need to talk about the foundation that most people completely mess up, and that's choosing the right product to sell. See, here's where 99% of beginners go wrong. They think they need to create some revolutionary new product, spend months building it, then pray someone actually wants to buy it. Meanwhile, they're competing against established brands with million-dollar marketing budgets. That's like trying to reinvent the wheel when there are already perfectly good wheels sitting right there, waiting for you to sell them. What if I told you there are marketplaces packed with proven, high-converting digital products that you can start selling today, products that already have professional sales pages, proven conversion rates, and some that pay over $1,000 per sale? This is exactly how I got my first $10,000 month. I didn't create anything. I found a product that was already working, already converting, and I just focused on what actually matters, getting it in front of the right people. Let me show you exactly what I mean. There's this marketplace called OfferLab. And no, this isn't a sponsored segment. This is just where I find my best products. Look at this. Here's a product called Unstoppable You. It's an 8-week alcohol-free empowerment program for women. The commission? $1,350 per sale. Think about that for a second. You make one sale. That's $1,350 in your pocket. Make one sale per week. That's over $70,000 per year. And you didn't have to create anything, film any content, or become an expert in alcohol recovery. But here's what really gets me excited about this particular product. You're not just making money, you're literally helping women transform their lives. You're connecting people who need help with a solution that works. That's the kind of business that lets you sleep well at night. So here's exactly how this works. 1. You apply to promote the product. Most good products have an application process to maintain quality. 2. You get approved and receive your unique affiliate link. 3. You get access to all the marketing materials, sales pages, email sequences, everything. 4. You focus 100% of your energy on driving traffic to that link. 5. The product owner handles everything else: customer service, product delivery, refunds. Now, I've tested dozens of products across different niches, and I can tell you that the highest converting products usually have a few things in common. They solve a painful, urgent problem. They target people who have money to spend. They offer a clear transformation or result. They have professional sales materials. But here's where it gets interesting. Once you have your product picked out, you need someone to sell it for you. And that's where most people think they need to become content creators, start showing their face, building personal brands. But what if I told you that you could create the perfect salesperson using AI? Someone who never gets tired, never has a bad day, and can work 24/7 selling your products. This is where things get really exciting, because we're about to enter the future of online business. And I'm not exaggerating when I say this could be the biggest opportunity of our lifetime. You've probably seen AI influencers like Lil Miquela or Shudu taking over Instagram. But what you might not know is that there are AI characters making over $100,000 per month just from selling digital products. There's an AI influencer named Maddie who generated over $100,000 in her first month. She's not real, she's completely AI generated. But her content gets hundreds of thousands of views, and more importantly, it converts viewers into buyers. And here's the crazy part, we're still in the early stages of this. Most people don't even realize these characters aren't real. Which means if you start now, you're getting in on the ground floor of what could be the biggest shift in online marketing since social media itself. I'll be honest with you, when I first heard about AI influencers, I thought it was gimmicky. But then I created my first AI character, and within 30 days, that character had generated more engagement and sales than my previous 6 months of traditional marketing combined. So let me show you exactly how to create your own AI salesperson. We're going to use the alcohol-free program as our example, but this process works for any product in any niche. Step 1. Create the perfect persona. First, we go to ChatGPT and we're going to create the perfect character for our product. For the alcohol-free program, we want someone who appeals to women aged 30-50, has overcome alcohol dependency herself, is relatable but aspirational, has a compelling backstory. Here's the exact prompt I use. Create a detailed AI persona for a brand that sells an alcohol-free 8-week program. This avatar should appeal to women between 30-50 years old and should be a perfect role model of someone who went from alcohol addiction to alcohol-free. Include name, age, background, personality traits, and transformation story. Step 2. Bring your character to life. Once we have the persona, we need to create the visual. I use Midjourney for this because the quality is just incredible. The key here is consistency. You want your AI character to look the same in every piece of content. Here's how you do it. 1. Generate your initial character image. 2. Use the character reference feature to maintain consistency. 3. Create multiple scenarios. Your character at home, at work, in different settings. 4. Generate both photos and videos of your character. Let me show you what this looks like in practice. Here's Sarah. That's what I named our AI character for the alcohol-free program. She's 38, a marketing executive who struggled with wine dependency after her divorce. She discovered the program, transformed her life, and now she shares her journey to help other women. Look at this consistency. Whether she's at home, in a coffee shop, or recording a video, she always looks like the same person. That's the power of AI character reference. And here's what's beautiful about this. Sarah can share her story, connect with her audience, and sell products 24/7. She never gets tired, never has an off day, and never runs out of content ideas. You know what? I'm getting really excited sharing this with you because I can see how this could completely change your life, just like it changed mine. If you're feeling that same excitement, do me a favor and hit that like button. It tells YouTube that this content is valuable and helps me reach more people who need to see this. And if you're not subscribed yet, definitely hit that subscribe button because I share strategies like this every single week. I'm literally giving away systems that people pay thousands to learn elsewhere. But having a great AI character is only half the battle. The real magic happens when you start creating content that goes viral and drives sales. And that's exactly what we're covering next. Okay, this is where most people get overwhelmed. They think creating viral content is some mysterious art form that only influencers understand. But I'm about to show you that it's actually a simple, repeatable system. Here's what most people do wrong. They create content about what they think is interesting, instead of what their audience desperately wants to know. They focus on being creative instead of being helpful. They try to entertain instead of educate. But viral content that actually sells follows a very specific formula. And when you combine this formula with AI-generated characters, you get something incredibly powerful. Content that looks professional, feels authentic, and converts viewers into buyers. I've generated over 50 million views using this exact system across multiple AI characters. Some of my videos have hit 2 million views, and the best part? The higher the views, the more sales I make. Let me break down the 3 types of content that work best for AI characters selling digital products. Type 1. Text overlay videos. Easiest to start. Type 2. Story-based content. This is where your AI character shares personal experiences. Remember, you've created a full backstory, so you have endless content ideas. Sarah could share the moment she realized she had a problem, her first week alcohol-free, how her relationships improved, her morning routine now versus before, dealing with social pressure. Type 3. Educational content. Your AI character becomes the expert, teaching valuable information related to your product. For the alcohol program, 3 signs you're drinking more than you think. Why willpower doesn't work for quitting alcohol. The hidden calories in your nightly wine. How alcohol affects your sleep cycles. Let me show you exactly how I create these. I take one of Sarah's videos, add a compelling hook like, I haven't had a drink in 847 days, and here's what nobody tells you. Then I use CapCut to add text overlays that reveal the transformation. Day 1 to 7. Anxiety, cravings, social awkwardness. Day 8 to 30, better sleep, clearer skin, more energy. Day 31 to 90, confidence, better relationships, mental clarity. Day 90 plus, complete life transformation. End with, comment sober if you want my complete roadmap. And here's where it gets really powerful. When someone comments sober, an automated system kicks in. It captures their information, adds them to an email sequence, and starts nurturing them toward the sale. I have to pause here for a second because I'm realizing how much value I'm packing into this video. If you're getting ideas for your own AI business, smash that like button to let me know. And seriously, if you haven't subscribed yet, you're missing out on weekly content that could literally change your financial future. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss these strategies. Here's my exact content creation workflow. 1. Batch content planning. Every Sunday, I plan 30 pieces of content using ChatGPT. 2. AI character videos. I generate 10 to 15 character videos in different scenarios. 3. Text overlay creation. Using CapCut, I add compelling text to each video. 4. Posting schedule. I post 3 to 5 times per day across platforms. 5. Engagement monitoring. I respond to comments and track which content converts best. Different platforms require different approaches. TikTok, raw, authentic feeling, content works best. Instagram Reels, more polished, aesthetic content. YouTube Shorts, educational content performs well. Facebook, story-based content with longer captions. But here's the thing, creating great content is only part of the equation. The real money is made in what happens after someone engages with your content. And that's where most people drop the ball completely. This next part is absolutely critical, so pay close attention. Because you could have the most viral content in the world, but if you don't have the right system to convert that attention into sales, you're just building someone else's business. Here's what I see happening all the time. Someone creates great content, gets thousands of views, hundreds of comments, and then nothing. They don't have a system to capture those leads and turn them into buyers. It's like having a packed restaurant but no way to take orders. All that potential just walks out the door. What you need is what I call a digital sales funnel. an automated system that takes someone from seeing your content to becoming a paying customer, without you having to manually handle each interaction. Here's exactly how my system works. Step 1. The hook. Your AI character posts content with a specific call to action. Comment transform for my complete guide. Step 2. The capture. When someone comments, an automated system captures their information and adds them to your email list. Step 3. The nurture. They immediately receive the promised guide. Plus, they're added to an email sequence that builds trust and desire for your main product. Step 4. The sale. After 5 to 7 days of valuable emails, they receive an offer for your high-ticket product. Step 5. The follow-up. If they don't buy immediately, they continue receiving valuable content mixed with soft pitches. Let me walk you through this with our alcohol-free program. Day 1. Someone comments freedom on Sarah's video. They immediately get a PDF. 7 signs you're ready to quit drinking. They're added to the alcohol-free transformation email sequence. Day 2. Email about Sarah's story. Why she decided to quit. Day 3. Email about the hidden costs of drinking. Financial, health, relationships. Day 4. Email about what life looks alcohol-free. Day 5. Email introducing the 8-week program with a special discount. Day 6. Testimonials and success stories from the program. Day 7. Final chance email with urgency. The key is that you're not just pitching a product, you're building a relationship. Your AI character becomes a trusted friend who's been through the same struggle and found a solution. For the technical side, you need a way to capture comments, ManyChat or similar, an email marketing platform, ConvertKit, MailChimp, a landing page builder, ClickFunnels, lead pages, analytics to track what's working. Once you have one profitable funnel, scaling becomes simple. 1. Create more AI characters in the same niche. 2. Expand to related products. 3. Test different content angles. 4. Optimize based on data. Here's what this looks like in real numbers. 1,000 video views. 50 comments. Shocker 25 email subscribers. 25 email subscribers. Shocker 2 to 3 sales. 8 to 12% conversion rate. 2 sales x 1,150. $2,700 from one video. Scale that across multiple videos, multiple characters, multiple products, and you can see how this becomes a serious business. Before I wrap this up, I want to ask you something. If this video has opened your eyes to what's possible with AI and digital products, please hit that like button. It really does help me reach more people who need to see this information. And if you want to see more content like this, complete breakdowns of profitable online business models, make sure you're subscribed with notifications on. I'm constantly testing new strategies and sharing exactly what works. Let me quickly recap what we've covered in the last 20 minutes. 1. The product goldmine. How to find proven, high-converting products that pay $500, $350 per sale without creating anything yourself. 2. Your AI salesperson. The complete process for creating consistent, engaging AI characters that can sell 24/7 to 3. Viral content strategy. The 3 types of content that generate millions of views and drive sales. 4. Sales automation. The complete funnel system that converts viewers into buyers automatically. Now, I want to be completely honest with you. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Building a successful AI product business takes work, consistency, and patience. You'll need to spend time learning the tools, create content consistently, test and optimize your funnels, stay up to date with AI developments. But here's what I can promise you. If you implement what I've shown you today, you'll be ahead of 99% of people trying to make money online. You'll have a real business model that can generate serious income. 3 years ago, I was watching videos like this, wondering if any of it actually worked. Today, I'm financially free, working from anywhere in the world, helping thousands of people transform their lives through the products I promote. The opportunity is there. The tools are available. The only question is, will you take action?
If you're ready to start building your AI product empire, begin with step 1. Find your first product to promote. Spend the next hour researching products in niches you're interested in. And if you want me to create more detailed tutorials on any part of this process, AI character creation, content strategies, funnel building, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we're going to dive even deeper into advanced AI business strategies. Remember, the future belongs to those who embrace AI, not those who fear it. Your AI product empire starts today.